Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a Homelab, then you probably have tons of services and applications running, and managing them efficiently can be a challenge. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a beautiful, simple and functional Homelab dashboard to centralize access to all your self-hosted applications. Homelab is a simple customizable dashboard for self-hosted services. It allows you to create a clean UI with links to your application, icons, and even a customizable search function. The best part, it's lightweight and easy to deploy with Docker, making it perfect for Portainer. So let's get started. First, create a volume for the container and give it a name. Go to container section and click add container. Enter a suitable name for your Homelab container. Under the image configuration, change the source to GitHub from the drop-down menu. Then head over to the GitHub repository, copy the URL and enter it in the image location field. Then we need to map the desired port for Homelab to 8080. For example, if you want your Homelab dashboard to be available on port 8089, then map it accordingly. Under the advanced container settings, go to volume and map the volume we created earlier to the assets folder. Navigate to the restart policy and set it to unless stopped. Then click deploy container to set up your dashboard. If you encounter this error, it's due to the / in the image URL. Remove it and redeploy. This should resolve the issue. Then to access the dashboard, open your browser and enter your Docker URL followed by the assigned port, and the default dashboard should be live. Now it's time to customize your dashboard. To do that, head over to the storage directory where you have your Homelab files and start editing the config.yaml file. Also, I have uploaded my current config file to my GitHub repository. The link is added in the description below, including my custom logo, font, and CSS file. You can upload the CSS and config.yaml file, then also the logo and font folder. Then you can also build up from there. Here's a view of my dashboard directory. Once done, your dashboard should look like this, and from here feel free to tweak it to fit your needs. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Homelab dashboard in Portainer to manage your Homelab. It's simple, elegant, and makes accessing your services a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy self-hosting.